Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with another bone update. Alright, I wanted to take a look at this chart because of what's going on in the market right there on the daily. You can see a lot of red out there. XRP kind of got smashed. Everything did, really. A lot of stuff out there took a beating, but Bitcoin has hopefully found a bottom here. Alright, if we take a look here real quick. This thing has bounced down here, had a low at 25,610. Okay, and you can see here, this is on the weekly chart. All right over here, this was a resistance. These wicks is where it grabbed. Okay, next logical place, if it loses that, would be down here around 24.3. All right, you can see where that was major resistance here. It's closed candles, but it's grabbed them wicks right now. And if we zoom in on the hourly, you can see it's starting to get a bounce. All right, it's coming up right here to its first major test here, really. Okay, it needs to break through that. What is that? 26,300 bucks. And you can see it kind of got rejected off there so far on the hourly, but need Bitcoin to get a bounce here. All right, pretty crazy how quick that this thing is just rolled over yesterday out of nowhere. Look at these massive red candles here on the 4 hour. So we'll see what happens, but looks like for now this thing has grabbed some ground. This wick came way down, but when you see a long wick on a candle, that means buyers stepped in. Okay, so you can see some buyers that down here, a lot of buy orders down 25,200. All right, that's where that big long wick came in. All right, so let's go back over the bone here. All right, this is on the 4 hour on the bone chart. Now we talked about this area down here. I was talking about $1.15. All right, if we zoom out here, let's go on the weekly chart here. Right where this thing wicked down. All right, if we move this down here, all right, that $1.09 is a very good. That's a very good support area for this thing. Okay, I had this up at $1.15 right there, which you can even say $1.14. Anywhere in this area, that it has grabbed, that it's bounced back up to, is a very good area for this thing to hold on to. Okay, it absolutely looks fine to me. Besides the rest of the market getting hit like that, if we go on the daily, we actually have a green daily candle here starting up on here. So just like everything else in the market, this thing's going to have to just work its way back up. Now you can see how that wick aligns with this right over here, this area. So we're going to move this line down that $1.09. That seems to be a very good spot. All right, we're going to leave it there because I believe as long as we hold that, we're fine. Up at that $1.15 was up here. Could have been just a little bit too high, so we're gonna leave it right there. All right, look at the RSIs on this thing. Extremely oversold. The 12 hours way down to the 13 and a 7. The daily is reset. Look how low it is down here on a 31. Way oversold. The 8 hour at the bottom. All right, the 4 hour, same story at the bottom here. Okay, so looking for a big bounce out of this thing. We'll have to obviously keep an eye on the rest of the market here too. But if you look at the daily here, I mean, this thing has just rolled right over from that $1.73 area right down here. So I believe this has found a bottom. Okay, we're just gonna have to keep an eye on it. I don't want to see us lose that $1.09. All right, if we lose that, then it's coming down to these lower areas. But as long as we hold that $1.09, this should be fine. Okay, and like I said, I had that up at $1.15, which we're up to almost $1.17 now. But that $1.09 seems like a very good area, very good support area. All right, so all right, guys, thank you very much. I really didn't plan on putting a video out there today, but thought I'd put one out with everything that's going on in the market, just to ease some tensions here. This thing's fine, just like I said, just like everything else here. If you put it on the hourly, look at the bounces we're starting to get here. All right, so things are starting to turn around here, hopefully. We'll see if Bitcoin's done. The thing with Bitcoin, let me show you this. Look how oversold these RSIs are. Look at the daily is down at a 19, the 12-hour. When you see them colors like that, that pink, excuse me, that means extremely oversold. It's at an 11. The 8, look at this, at a 10. That's crazy. The 4, look at that, at a 10. You know, so either Bitcoin has one massive bounce coming, the 1 is down at a 30. Alright, so if you go back through here, I don't think it's ever been this low. What is it, an 11? That is way, way down here. Okay, so we just went back to April of 2021, and it's never been that low before. You know, so look at this. Extremely oversold. So we either have one heck of a bounce coming up, and the thing to pay attention to with this is that 29,000 level. All right, because if this thing comes up here, it gets rejected off this trend line, it rolls back over, and then we got major problems. All right, it needs to get back above that 29,000 bucks that it lost up here in this trend line, or this thing could go down further. So this Bitcoin's at a major level here. So either it's going to tell a big story, or this thing is going to bounce back up here. Okay, but whether it gets up through here, that's the story right there, right up here at that level is going to tell everything. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member of the channel. I'd appreciate that very much. Everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.